Kuringana na murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa mititu rwa Kenya Forest Service kaunti-ini ino ya Narok, ikengi icio cia muigana wa ciringi nuthu mirioni iranyitirwo thutha wao gukinyirwo ni muingi, no indi ndereba lori iyo arahota kura.
That a certain vehicle that was leaving a place called Naigara in Roita Forest was coming towards Narok using the Wasonyiro Road. So upon inspection of the vehicle, we were able to find out that it has got roughly 1,300 cedar posts.
Mwai augite kuma thirikari ikire mukana wa kugiria utemi wa miti mitito-ini ya thirikari ni maikitie ngono andu 126 magikiruka watho uyu, oro undu umwe na ngari 36 iria ciahũthĩkaga gukua miti iyo.
When you look at the kind of damage to the environment, it's astronomical. We are talking of even rivers reducing the quantity. We are talking of even people downstream suffering because of shortage of water. Right now, most of the counties are receiving a lot of rains. Narok, we are yet to receive rain.
Mukana wa kwaga gutema miti ona kana kuna ngo mitito-ini ya thirikari kwa ihinda waniriirwo ria mbere ni munini wa President William Ruto mweri-ini wa keri mwaka uyu, na riria mukana ucio wathirire mweri-ini wa gatano, nake Minister wa mititu Keriako Tobiko akiongerera mukana ucio na ihinda ria mieri ingi 6. Girifo Terainoro TV, Jitago Joseph Washira.
Make sure that we take the steps forward.